This is the question from IPM Indore 2023 paper QASC section. And this question is from the topic binomial theorem. Three consecutive coefficients of this expansion are in the ratio of 1, 9 and 63. We need to find the value of n. Okay. So the consecutive coefficients, they can be taken as NCR minus 1. So we are only talking about the coefficients, not x and y. So the coefficient is only NCR minus 1. Next coefficient will be NCR and next will be NCR plus 1. So these three are any consecutive coefficients. They can be anywhere on the expansion series. Now, the ratio of two consecutive terms, consecutive coefficients in binomial theorem, NCR minus 1 and NCR. The ratio of these two is R upon N minus R plus 1. We can use this information to solve this question. This question becomes very easy. So the ratio of first two, that is NCR minus 1 and NCR, the ratio of these two is this much, R upon N minus R plus 1. So I can say R upon N minus R plus 1. The ratio of these two will be the ratio of first two terms, 1 and 9. That will give us our first equation. And similarly, using this, I can get the ratio of the next two terms, which is NCR and NCR plus 1. The ratio of the next two terms we can get using this relation only. In place of R, I will have R plus 1. And in place of R, I will have R plus 1 again. So that will be R plus 1 upon N minus R minus 1 plus 1. That is R plus 1 upon N minus R. Right? So the ratio of the second and third consecutive coefficient is R plus 1 upon N minus R. So R plus 1 upon N minus R. That should be the ratio of the second and third consecutive coefficient, which is 9 by 63, 1 by 7. So that will give us our second equation. So now I can simplify these two to get the equations. This will be 9R equal to N minus R plus 1. So 10R minus N is equal to 1. That is our equation. Similarly, I can get another equation from here. 7R plus 7 is equal to N minus R. So what do we get is N minus 8R is equal to 7. So that will be our fourth equation. If I add both the equations, N will get cancelled and I will only have R. So if I add equation 3 and 4, so 10R and 8R, so that will be 2R, minus N plus N, they will cancel. And here it is 1 and 7, so that is 8. So we'll get R equal to 4. If R is 4, then how much is N? So I can replace that R equal to 4 in this equation, equation 4. N minus 8 into 4 is 7. So N is 32 plus 7, that is 39. So N equal to 39, that is what we want. What is the value of N? So that's the answer.